Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add numbers in a column in Excel. Let's get straight into it. Start by clicking on the cell where you want your total to appear. This is typically the first empty cell directly below your column of numbers. So if your numbers are in cells B2 through B6, you'd click on cell B7. The cell will be outlined with a border showing it's selected. Next, look up at the Home tab and find the editing group on the far right of the ribbon. Click the autosum button. It's the one with the sigma symbol. You can also find this same button on the Formulas tab as the first option in the function library if you prefer. As soon as you click it, Excel automatically inserts a sum formula in your selected cell and highlights the cells it's totaling with a moving border around them. This moving border is sometimes called marching ants. Now take a quick look at that highlighted range to make sure it includes all the numbers you want to add. You'll see a blue border with sizing handles at each corner. Excel usually detects the right range, but if the border doesn't contain all your numbers, you can adjust it by dragging those sizing handles on the corners. Excel stops at blank cells or text, so if you have gaps in your data, it might select fewer cells than you expected. Once you've confirmed the range looks good, press Enter on your keyboard. The calculated sum will display in your selected cell, and you'll see the formula appear in the formula bar at the top of the Excel window. The sum is now complete and locked into your spreadsheet. A couple of useful things to know. If you ever want to check what formula is being used, just click on the result cell and look at the formula bar. You'll see it shows as equals sum, followed by the cell range in parentheses, like equals sum, open parentheses, B2, B6, close parentheses. The other handy thing is that this formula updates automatically. If you go back and change any of the numbers in the cells you summed, the total will recalculate instantly without you having to do anything. And if you're working with a column where you'll be adding more data over time, you can type equals sum, open parentheses, A, close parentheses, to sum an entire column, and your total will update as you add new numbers. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.